Hi everybody, I'm Deirdre, aka Ask the Pro Stylist, and this is my model Stephanie, and we are going to do her hair today. So let me tell you a little bit about myself first. I am a hairstylist. I've been doing hair for 30 years. I am also a cosmetology instructor and the director of the school that I work at in New York City. It's a 10 had asked me to do a video on their products. So I chose Stephanie because she has issues or challenges that are not unique to many individuals. Her hair is very porous. She has a lot of lightener in it, some corrective color that was done. She has an oily scalp, so because of all the color that was done on her, I try to convince her not to wash her hair every day, but because of the oils in her scalp, that's not always possible. And then her hair falls limp. So I thought using the Miracle Volumizing Shampoo, the Miracle Blow Dry Volumizer with the leave-in light would be very useful for her hair. It'll control her ends, it'll give her some volume, and we're hoping that she doesn't have to wash her hair every day from using these products. Her texture is medium, fine to medium. She has a slight bend in her hair, and that's about it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to wash her, come back with her hair wet. We're going to put in the products. I'm going to skip past the blowout, and then we'll see the final result. Okay, we're back. We just shampooed Stephanie's hair with the Miracle Moisturizing Shampoo from It's a 10. It's sulfate free, which is important. As a matter of fact, I said before, we're going to see how her hair is going to be using these products. I forgot, I have given this to her to use for the past, probably like week or two. So her hair has actually been responding very well. Do you feel that it's giving you volume and
Yeah, I don't blow dry my hair usually on a daily basis going to work. So I do feel like after using this shampoo and going out and going through my day, my hair looks a lot nicer and does have more of a bounce to it than if I were to just use normally Head and Shoulders shampoo and do the same exact thing.
Okay, awesome. Oh, Head and Shoulders. NG.
Which is not good for color, I know.
No, not good for color treated hair. So that's the goal. We want to keep her toner because we've been removing some of this yellow golden tones to a more platinum. We want to keep the toner in the hair. So using professional products are always best. That's why I recommend It's a 10. So are you finding that with this product you have to shampoo your hair, or you're good? How do you feel the next day? Is your hair feeling oily?
No, so slightly less frequently as well. This was on day 2 of not washing it when we took it out to wash it today. And there has been a noticeable difference in the oil on the scalp and hair just feeling kind of slicked and a little bit greasy and dirty.
Good. That's awesome. That's awesome. I am putting in the Miracle Leave-In Light. When I remember a few years back when this hit the market and it couldn't stay on the beauty shelves. People just fell in love with it. It's nice that the It's a 10 brand does focus on different hair types because not everybody has the same hair type. So the light is really good for somebody with the challenges that Stephanie has, you know, an oily scalp, lower density, and not as thick or coarse hair or curl. So that being said, now that I have my conditioner on her ends, I didn't really put it too much in here because she has some finer highlights. For my cosmetology students, if you saw, I just dropped my comb. I am not picking it up. We do not pick up our comb. We're going to get another one. In the meantime, I'm going to dry Volumizer. This gets put in beforehand. Thank you. increase, here's the comb, increase some of the volume of her hair. I'm gonna use a round ceramic brush, probably my 1.5 inches, 1.5 inches in diameter, with my awesome blow dryer. And then you'll see the finished results when we're all done. Okay? Come back soon. Okay. We're back. We blew Stephanie's hair out. I put nothing. Did I put anything in your hair after? I literally just put the blow dryer down. Okay? Stephanie has long layers with a little bit of a face frame. So I blew her out using the classic Arrojo technique, starting in the front, diagonal sections, and then working in the back, again with diagonal sections. I put nothing in her hair. Right before I blew her out, I did go back at the root a little bit with the Miracle Blow Dry Volumizer. Steph, would you please just tell everything that it does?
10 things it does. Explosive volume, adds shine, humidity resistant, builds up free, holds hairstyle, UV protectant, no flaking, touchable thickness, not sticky or stiff, and never crunchy.
UV protectant is great for somebody with this much color on their hair as well. And the directions were apply at the root, before and after a shampoo. So I wanted to show exactly, I literally used these 3 products. I used nothing else on her hair. I did not condition her hair, and she's, as you can see, has a lot of color in her hair. I only shampooed her with this. I put the conditioner, focused on her ends, the leave-in light, and used the volumizer before. And now I'm just gonna, so this is the first time I'm just kind of gonna break it up a little bit with my fingers of what I did. And this is a lot of volume for Stephanie. She literally is wash and wear girl. She comes out of the shower and that's it. Lets it kind of dry natural. So we never see Stephanie, I mean, it looks gorgeous. You look beautiful. But this can also be used as a finishing spray as well. So I'm just going to, I don't even want to touch her hair because it just looks beautiful. Just a little bit on her ends. And that's it. Beautiful. No oil. I didn't put oil in her hair. I didn't put any other conditioner. Just It's a 10. And it looks just beautiful. So thank you for watching. Visit me at www.asktheprostylist.com for professional hair advice. If you're not a professional, I'll give you advice, and my advice will always be to see a professional. You should not do your hair at home using box color. My students know how I hate that. See a professional. And if your budget doesn't allow, then visit a cosmetology school where it's very affordable and we use fabulous products on the hair as well. Follow me on Instagram. It's Deirdre H, Ask the Pro Stylist, and on Twitter, Deirdre Haggerty. Thank you very much. Thank you, Stephanie. You look fabulous.
Thank you.
And go out and get It's a 10 because I highly, highly recommend it.